Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the 11th problem of miscellaneous, in which what we have here a rectangular window. This is our rectangular window and semicircular design on it, like this. This kind of window we have here. The total perimeter of this window is 10 meter. Total perimeter of this window is 10 meter. We have this one. And what we have to find out? Prove that the maximum light is passes through this window. We have to maximize the area of this one, and for that what we have to do? First we have to find out the radius and the side length. Suppose the width or the breadth of this rectangular shaped portion is x, and the diameter of this semicircular part is 2r. That's why it is also 2r. So now the perimeter of this window is given by x plus x 2x plus 2r plus the circumference of this semicircle, which is pi r. The total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. That's why the perimeter of semicircle portion, this is pi r, which is equals to 10. I want to find out the value of x from here. So the value of 2x is 10 minus pi r plus 2r. This is the value of 2x here. Now what we have to find out? The area of this window. Maximize इसी को करना है. Area of window. So what we have to do here? This shape is rectangular shape and the area of rectangle is L into B. Plus this is semicircular part, the area of this one is pi r square upon 2. So substituting the value of L and B, the length is 2r and breadth is x. So here we are having A equals to 2r into x plus pi r square by 2. In this case, taking r separately and 2x together, the value of 2x is here now 10 minus pi r plus 2r. Substitute at this place. So r into 10 minus pi r plus 2r plus pi r square upon 2. Now multiplying by r inside, we are getting here 10r minus pi r square minus 2r square plus pi r square by 2. So minus pi r square and plus pi r square by 2. Minus 1 plus half means minus half. So we are having here 10r minus 2r square and minus pi r square by 2. This is our A. Now we want to differentiate this one. With respect to r, the only variable is r here. Differentiating with respect to r. So dA by dr is, what is dA by dr? 10r means 10 minus 2r square means 4r and this one r square is 2r. The cancel that 2 cancel that this 2. So the only thing is pi r here. So minus pi r. Since dA by dr is always equals to 0, since dA by dr is equals to 0, that's why tan minus 4 plus pi into r is equals to 0. So by the help of this one we can easily calculate the value of radius. So this implies r is equals to tan upon 4 plus pi. This is our radius value. And now we want to show that this area is maximum. For that, differentiating 1 with respect to r again. So d2a by dr2, d2a by dr2, here is 0, minus 4 and minus pi. What we are looking here, both the values are negative, which is free from r. That's why it is less than 0, negative. Negative in the sense we are saying that the area of this window is maximum. Therefore, A is maximum. Now we have to find out the value of sides where already radius is calculated, which is tan upon 4 plus pi. Now by the help of this one we want to find out x also. So substitute the value of r at this place. So what we get? Look at this place. From equation 2. Two x equals to tan minus pi plus 2, taking r common and substituting the value of r from here. So tan minus pi plus 2 into tan upon 4 plus pi. Tan is common between these two, and after that also taking the LCM. So 4 plus pi multiplied by 1, 4 plus pi minus 2 upon 4 plus pi. So pi cancel with pi. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 multiplied by 10, 20, and that 2 cancel with this. So x is again tan upon 4 plus pi. So the value of x is as same as the radius. So this is the dimension of this window, in which x, the width of the rectangular part is tan upon 4 plus pi, whereas the radius of this circular part is given by tan upon 4 plus pi also. These are the dimensions of this window. Now we are talking about the 12th problem of miscellaneous, in which what we are having here, a right angle triangle in which a point P lie on a diagonal or hypotenuse AC, which is A units far away from the AB side and B units far away from the BC side. And here is the angle theta. Both are theta because these are said to be corresponding angles. Now I want to find out the length of this total hypotenuse AC. Length of hypotenuse AC, which is given by AP plus PC. So first we have to check the right angle triangle AQP. In triangle AQP, this is hypotenuse and this one is base. We are using cos. So cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse, that is A upon AP. So cross product A equals to या AP equals to A upon cos theta, or we can say A sec theta. Similarly, in triangle PRC, what we have here, the perpendicular and hypotenuse, which is in sine. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. To get the value of PC, what we have to do? B upon sine theta, which is B cosec theta. This is our PC and AP length. Substitute these two values at this place to get the total length of hypotenuse. Therefore, hypotenuse length L equals to A sec theta plus B cosec theta. This is our first result. Now we are going to differentiate it with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta. dl by d theta. A sec theta tan theta minus B cosec theta cot theta. We are having this. Putting this dl by d theta equals to 0. So A sec into tan minus B cosec cot is equals to theta. So 0. Shifting this in RHS side, A sec tan minus B equals to B cosec cot. इस cot का डिवाइड इधर दे दें तो 1 by cot tan होता है. So it is equals to A by B या B by A उधर कर लेने चाहिए. Tan square theta into sec means 1 by cos and cosec means 1 by sin, जिसका इधर into कर दें sin, which is equals to B by A. Now sin upon cos again tan square multiplied by tan cube. So we are having here tan cube theta equals to B by A. So the value of tan theta is B upon A raised to 1 by 3. This is the value of tan theta. Now again differentiating this one dl by d theta, the result to be differentiating again dl by d theta with respect to theta. What we get here, if we are differentiating this one, so when we are differentiating this one with respect to theta, we will get d2l by d theta 2 is this, and putting the value of tan theta b by a raised to 1 by 3 at this place, all these terms are positive. That's why d2l by d theta 2 at tan theta equals to b by a raised to 1 by 3 is greater than 0, that is positive. And if this is positive, then L is minima. L is minima, which means minimum value. So if you want to find out the minimum value of that, we have to substitute the value of sec and cosec in result 1. For that, first we have to find out by the help of this tan theta the value of sec theta, and value of sec theta is given by inside the root 1 plus tan square theta, and the value of tan square theta is b upon a 2 by 3. Put at this place 1 plus b by a raised to 2 by 3. Now we want to take the LCM of this one and finding the value of sec theta. Now the value of sec theta is given by inside the root LCM of that term a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3 upon a raised to 2 by 3. This is the value of sec. If you want to take the square root of denominator's term, we can write a raised to 1 by 3 inside the root a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3. Now we know that cosec theta is also given by sec upon tan. This is the formula used to find out the value of cosec also. So here the value of sec is 1 upon a raised to 1 by 3 root a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3, and the value of tan theta is this one, b by a raised to 1 by 3, which means b by a raised to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 cancel with this one. We are getting here a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3 upon b raised to 1 by 3. Now we have the value of sec and cosec. Substitute in first equation. Therefore, length of hypotenuse L equals to a into sec theta, which means 1 upon a की power 1 by 3 root a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3 plus b into cosec 1 upon b raised to 1 by 3 root a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3. Now we are taking this root as a common. Root a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3 taking common inside the bracket a upon a raised to 1 by 3, which means a raised to 2 by 3 plus b upon b raised to 1 by 3, ये इसमें जाकर पावर रिड्यूस कर देगा b raised to 2 by 3. Looking these two brackets, the quantities are same but the power are not. Here is half power, here is 1, adding 1 plus half 3 by 2 power. So the length of this one is a raised to 2 by 3 plus b raised to 2 by 3 power 3 by 2. This is the length of hypotenuse. इस तरह से अपन निकाल सकते हैं हाइपोटेन्यूस की लेंथ.